Hello everyone. We are the students of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are presenting our project which is Neuroscan Alzheimer detection using CNN and GradCam. This project is based on deep learning technologies for early detection of Alzheimer disease using brain scan image along with GradCam visualization for better understanding of prediction process. We have completed this project under the guidance of Miss Sonali Shinge ma'am. This slide shows the outline of our presentation. We will begin with the introduction, need of work, problem statement, and objectives. Then we will explain the system architecture, modules, and requirements. After that, we will discuss the implementation, comparison results, achievements, conclusion, and references. Now, the introduction. Alzheimer disease mainly affects memory, thinking ability, and behavior, especially in older adults. Early detection is very important because it can help slow down the progression of the disease. Traditional MRI analysis is time consuming and depends heavily on medical experts. To overcome this, our project uses CNN technology for fast and accurate image analysis. Along with that, GradCam to highlight the important brain regions responsible for predictions. So our project focuses on Alzheimer detection with both accuracy and explainability. Now next is need of work. Alzheimer's cases are increasing rapidly, which makes early detection very important. Traditional diagnostics methods are slow and may sometimes lead to an error. There is a need for an automated and accurate system for brain scan analysis. Although CNN models provide good accuracy, they often lack interpretability. To solve this, we use GradCan, which gives visual explanations and improve trust in the prediction results. Our goal is to develop an intelligent and explainable AI-based Alzheimer detection system. Now let us discuss the problem statement of our project. Early detection of Alzheimer disease is very important, but traditional manual diagnosis methods are still challenging and time consuming. Doctors need to carefully analyze MRI brain scans, and sometimes the results may vary depending on experience and interpretation. Because of this, there is a strong need of an automated and reliable brain scan analysis system. In our project, we use CNN to automatically detect Alzheimer's disease from MRI images with better speed and accuracy. Along with this, we use GradCam technology to visually highlight the affected brain regions, making the prediction results easier to understand and more trustworthy. Now next is the objectives of our project. Our main objective is to build and train CNN model for Alzheimer disease detection using MRI brain scans. We aim to achieve high accuracy in classification and use GradCam to provide visual explanation of the prediction results. We also developed a simple GUI that allows users to upload images and view the detection results easily. Now let us understand the system architecture of our project. First, the user uploads an MRI brain scan image through the user interface. The image is then pre-processed using resizing and normalization techniques. After pre-processing, the CNN model extract important feature and analyzes the MRI image to detect Alzheimer's disease. Next, the GradCam module generates a heat map that highlights the affected brain region responsible for the prediction. Finally, the system displays the classification result along with the visual explanation, and the output is stored in the database. Now next is the modules. First, the user interface allows users to upload MRI brain image and view final results. Next, the brain MRI input module takes the image for analysis, and the pre-processing module resizes and normalizes the image for better model performance. After that, the feature extraction and CNN model identify important patterns and classify it. Finally, the GradCam module generates heat map that highlights the affected brain region, making the prediction results easier to understand. Now let us discuss the hardware and software requirements of our project. For software requirements, we use Python programming language along with the libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, NumPy, Matplotlib. We also used Jupyter Notebook and Tkinter for the user interface. For hardware requirements, A GPU-enabled system is recommended for faster model training along with a minimum of 8 GB RAM and around 50 GB storage for dataset. Here are the screenshots for the modules implemented. The first one is a login and sign up page. Here we implemented the front-end module for the patient side. This page includes the login and sign up interface. The interface is designed to be a simple and user-friendly for easy navigation. Next is the doctor dashboard. This slide shows the doctor dashboard of our system. From this dashboard, doctors can upload MRI scans, view patient history, and access information about the system. It provides a centralized and easy to use interface for managing Alzheimer detection tasks. Next is the contact page. This is the contact page of our application. It provides details of a medical specialist and hospital information so that user can easily connect with the experts. Next is the upload MRI page. This slide shows the MRI upload module. Here user can upload brain MRI scan image into the system for analysis. After uploading the image, the system processes it and send it to the CNN model for prediction. Now the MRI scan result. This slide display the final MRI scan result generated by our system. The system predicts the Alzheimer stage along with the confidence score. It also generates a GradCam heat map which highlights the important brain region. Next is the wrong image detection. These slides demonstrate the wrong image detection feature of our system. If a user upload an invalid image instead of a brain image, the system automatically detects it, display an error message. This helps improve the reliability and accuracy of the system. This slide shows our hospital visit to D.Y. Patil Hospital. During this visit, we interacted with medical professionals to better understand Alzheimer's diagnosis procedures and MRI scan analysis. This guidance helps us to improve our project design and make the system user-oriented. Now let us compare our Neuroscan system with AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. Neuroscan is specially designed for Alzheimer detection using MRI brain scans. It is not only provides prediction and classification results, but also shows confidence score and GradCam heatmap for better visualization. On the other hand, ChatGPT and Gemini mainly provide text-based explanations and analyze MRI images or generate medical prediction results like our system. Now let us discuss the achievements of our project. We successfully presented our research paper at the ICRTET 2026 Scopus conference where we explained our Alzheimer detection system and its working. We also received a certificate for our presentation. In addition, we applied for copyright for our project and successfully received the copyright certificate for our work. Also, we secured the second runner-up position at Invento Tech Utsav, a national level technical event held at Dr. D.Y. Patil Pratishthan's College of Engineering, Salokinagar, Kolhapur. In conclusion, our proposed Neuroscan system uses CNN and GradCam for early and accurate Alzheimer disease detection from MRI image. The system not only provides the prediction results but also generates visual explanation through heat map and making the output more understandable and reliable. With further improvements and real-world testing, this system can become a useful and dependable tool in the medical field.
So here is the references of our project. These are the references used during our project development and research work. We studied multiple research papers related to Alzheimer detection, deep learning, explainable AI and CNN model as well as GradCam techniques. This paper help us to understand existing methodologies, improve our model accuracy and develop an explainable prediction system for better medical analysis. Now I will demonstrate the working of our Neuroscan Alzheimer detection system project. First, the homepage of the system is displayed. Here user can access different sessions such as home, upload MRI, about, contact and history page. The dashboard is designed to provide a simple and user-friendly interface for doctors and as well as patients. Next, we move to the MRI upload session. In this step, patient details such as name, age, gender, contact information and address are entered. Doctor information including doctor name, specialization, hospital name and contact details is also added into the system. After entering all the required information, the MRI brain scan image is uploaded from the local system. The uploaded image is then processed by our CNN-based deep learning model. Once the analysis is completed, the system generates the prediction result. Here we can see the detected Alzheimer's stage along with the confidence score. The GradCam visualization highlights the important brain regions that then, after prediction, the system automatically generates a detailed PDF report. This report contains the patient information, doctor details, and uploaded MRI image, GradCam visualization, as well as prediction result and confidence percentage. Finally, all generated reports are stored into the history session. This allows doctors and users to easily access previous MRI scan records whenever needed. Overall, our system provides a fast, accurate, and explainable solution for Alzheimer detection using the deep learning and GradCam visualization.